Residents in South Trelawny believe they have been neglected since the passage of Hurricane Melissa. They say more attention is being placed on coastal communities. In their assessment, the situation in parts of Trelawny is almost like the end of the world, and they're seeking help. Joan Montague is a primary school teacher in Low River, South Trelawny. But since the passage of Hurricane Melissa, she's getting one of the biggest tests of her life.
Everything is left perishing inside the building. I have nowhere to live. I'm now staying with my neighbor.
Melissa's fury caused her 7-bedroom, 2-story house to collapse into the nearby gully. She said it is a miracle she's still alive.
Well, on the Tuesday when the hurricane was approaching, I was in my dwelling on the first floor of the building, and I looked through the window and I realized that the sewage pipe were cracking up. And I grabbed the bag that I had packed with my documents, and I looked on the outside. You look at the step, I realized the step was cracking up. I ran up the step. When I reached the top of the road, I realized that there was a ditch between my house and the road itself. I had to jump over the ditch and escape to my neighbor's house.
Right across South Trelawny, similar stories of terror during the passage of the hurricane. In Wait a Bit, Marcy McLean told us she lost her livelihood and her sister's grave was also taken by landslide.
I lose a house, I lose a shop, I lose my chicken coop with my chicken them in it.
Did you have goods in the shop?
Goods, and them take them away. All my music, my little sound box, them also take them away.
Now, South Trelawny is the main producer of yams in the country, one of the island's biggest agricultural export product. But in the wake of the hurricane,
all of the yam field gone down.
I lost my back part of my house that was ply. It gone. My farm, over 600 yam, it gone.
Not no less stand up. Now peas plant, yam, cocoa, everything, banana, everything.
On top of that, trauma.
Well, when we look on the storm, and look on the place, and just coming like I in a world.
My experience of this storm, whoa, I would want my greatest enemy to experience this storm if they never experienced it before.
I never see a storm like this.
Judgment.
We have to hold door gone. We hold window fly out. We have to just put we head in a little place.
In places like Greentown, another farming community, which also supplies water to many other communities, widespread flooding. One resident, Patricia Powell, took us through the community.
The farming area is really damaged, and millions of dollars have lost based on words from the farmers down there. This is a dam where many persons get their water from, and many residents sell water from the dam as well.
And to make matters worse, the residents believe this section of the parish has been neglected by the authorities. They told us they are yet to receive any form of aid.